Welcome to Home of Math. Exercise 3.2 Class 6 Algebra. Number 1. Use number line and add the following. Here is 9 plus minus 6. So let's start. Like here is 0, it's a middle part. 9, before 9 has no sign, it means this is a plus 9, right? So we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a 9. Now we will add minus 6. Look, right means plus, left means minus. So this minus 6, it's not in here. Okay, this minus 6 means from plus 9 we will minus 6. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is right. So our answer is 1 2 3. So we can write 3. So this one, how we can draw? First, this is 0 and this is 9. Here is plus 9. Okay, and this is 9 and here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to here. This is minus 6. Okay, and this is our answer, which is 1 2 3. Okay, next one. Number B, 5 plus and then minus 11. So what does mean? This is 5 plus and minus minus, then 11. So look, we know basic algebra, 5 minus 11, it should minus 6. So now we should draw. So this is draw 0. So first plus 5, this is a 5. So this is what? Plus 5. And now we will subtract 11. So from here 11, it means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11. So it should in here, which is what? Which is minus 6. Okay, we are subtract minus 11. So answer is minus 6. Okay, here is minus 1, then we will add minus 7. So look, minus 1 and here is a plus and minus a minus and 7. So it means minus 1 minus 7, it should minus 8. Therefore this is 0 and here is minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1 and then we will add minus 7, it means left side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so our answer in here. So we will add here minus 7. Therefore our answer is what? From 0 to 8 is minus 8. Okay, next one. Here is a minus 5 and then plus 10. The answer is what? 5. How? This is 0. So we will go left side because here is minus 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is minus 5 and then we will add what? 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it? Not. Here is 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the answer is here plus 5. Okay, so this is plus 10 and finally the answer is here 5. This is answer. Okay, I hope you clear this one. Number 2, add without using number line. So number A, this is 11 plus minus 7. Look, 11, it will be unchanged, plus and minus, minus 7. So 11 minus 7, simple subtraction, it's a 4. Number B, minus 13, then plus 18, right? So minus 13 plus 13 plus 18. So minus 13 plus 18, it should plus 5. Then number C, so if you will not use any sign, it means plus. Suppose this is plus 5 and this is minus 5. Okay, then number C, minus 10, then plus 19. So minus 10, then plus and plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19, it means plus 9. Number D, minus 1, minus 2, plus minus 3. So minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, everything is minus. So all the minus, it should be here is minus, then 3, 2, 1, it means 6. Okay, then number E, minus 2 plus 8 plus and then minus 4. Look, minus 2, then plus 8, and here is plus and minus, minus 4. So minus 2 and minus 4, it should minus 6. So 8 minus 6, the answer is 2. Okay, next question, simple add. Number A, here is mentioning add, it means 137, then plus and then minus 35. So 137 plus and minus, minus 35. So 7 minus 5 is a 2, 3 minus 3 is a 0, and here is 1. Simple subtraction. Number B, minus 52, then plus 52, right? So minus 52, then plus 52, it should 0. Number C, minus 31, then plus 39, then plus 19. So 39 plus 19, it should 58, right? And then minus 31. So 8 minus 1 is a 7, 5 minus 3 is a 2, it means 27. And finally number D, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So we can write minus 50 plus and minus, minus 200 plus 300. So what does mean? Here is 300 and here is 200, minus 200 and minus 50. So we can write 300 minus 250, it means only 50. Okay, number 3 done. And finally number 4, find the sum. So number A, look, minus 7, then plus minus 9, then plus 4 plus 16. So this one we can write, this is minus 7, plus and minus, minus, it's a 9, then plus 4 plus 16. So 4 plus 16 is a 20, and then minus 9 plus 7. Why 7? Because the common thing is minus, so this is 16. Therefore the answer is 4. Number B, 37, then plus, then minus 2, plus, then minus 65, plus minus 8. Okay, then we can write 37 plus and minus, minus 2, plus and minus, minus 65, plus and minus 8, right? So this is 37 here, minus 2 plus 8 is a 10, 10 plus 65 is a 75, right? So our answer is 37 minus 75, it should 38. And thank you very much being with me. After this one we complete our chapter, which is 3.2. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment box. Thank you.